to draw this picture. There in this picture, the little baby is driving the car. Oh, little baby is watching us. Today we color the main car of the body is brown. Our color is almost done. And we see the red color of the top part of the car. My kids, we will try with the shade. The picture looks more beautiful.
We give the yellow color to the front of the car. We give the green color to the headlight of the car. The wheel color is grey.
And his border color is black, which gives the more attractive of the picture. We give the another color to the another wheel. Oh, the baby again watching us. We give some shades.
We give the skin color of the baby. And then we give the shade of the baby's skin.
Our baby's color is almost done.
The baby's eyes color is orange. We give the orange color to the another eye. Then we color the baby's mouth in red and nose in pink.
Blue color we will give the topper part of the car. Oh, there is the sun again came.
A green color to the backlight of the car.
Now we give the light blue color of the back of the scenery. And we will try to make a beautiful scenery using in the picture. The sky, they are the deep blue color we are using to make the scenery. We change the color, the more light color, that means light blue. The color combination will make and help to make beautiful picture. White road. There our little baby can drive her car. Oh, the sun is very shining. We change the thickness of our rule. Background, grasses and bushes.